Hi there, this is Balwinder from NZSIM. Today we are going to cover how we can link our normal AdWords account to our MCC accounts. So now, first of all, we will learn how we can make our MCC account. MCC account, it stands for My Client Center, that Google gives you a platform where you can add your all clients for whom you are managing their AdWords accounts. So let's get started in this series how we can make our MCC account and how we can link our client AdWords accounts to MCC accounts, so you can manage your all clients AdWords in a one platform. So here what we need to do, that we need a one fresh email. I just make an email for you just as a demo. This is NZSIM demo. So we are going to make a MCC account with this email. So let's start it from here. What we need to write it here, we will just write it MCC AdWords login. Further, in a first link, you just need to click on it and it will open in another tab. Here on the right top corner, you need to click sign in over there, manage your account. So you will become on this window. Here, welcome to AdWords Manager account. We are going to just make our account, manage an MCC account. This is your email ID. What is your email ID? This is my email ID. And what's your name? Here, write that email whenever you will request someone to add their AdWords account into your MCC account. He or she will be see your that name into their account as a request. Let's say I just write it NZSIM AdWords. So here this is my name, NZSIM. This is my account name, NZSIM AdWords. So how will you primarily use this AdWords Manager account? To manage my account or to manage other accounts? I need to click, because I'm just going to manage my all clients accounts, so I need to click it here to manage other people's accounts. So please select your account settings, your country, your time zone, your currency, and all this kind of stuff. You just need to write it over there. So as I'm from New Zealand, just write it there, New Zealand. So I'm save and continue. And further, once you pop in this window, once you come on this window, you will be see this one, this pop-up that Google just pop up for you. As it is a new manager account, Google just start a quick tool for you. It's up to you. If you would like to take it, just take it. If you just would like to quit it, you can just exit this one. Yes, I will exit this one. I would like to exit. Yeah, so in this account you will see here, this is your MCC account. So if you are managing your AdWords for your clients, so you can bring the old AdWords accounts into a one platform. This is, I just made it NZSIM AdWords. So now, first of all, here can you see this? You can see this is accounts here. This is four tabs here: overview, accounts, campaign, and change history. Let's start it, as this series is just belongs to accounts. So just I click on accounts. Once I click on accounts, when it pop-ups over there, so you can manage your account. Here you have two scenarios. One scenario, as I mentioned, one of your client is already used AdWords since last year or last month. That's fine, he already made his AdWords account. And another scenario is what, one client is just going to start his AdWords with you, AdWords advertising, Google advertising with you. You do not need any credentials. That company is just new and he just would like to start recently start AdWords services with your company, what you just need to click this plus here and create a new account. We are not going to link any existing account at the moment, we will do in soon. But firstly what we need to do, we are just creating a new account for our new client. So here at types AdWords accounts name, just write like says one company NZ Fix, that company is my client and he just would like to start AdWords services with NZ Sim. What I need to mention here, I just need to mention his company website, that company website, so I can identify easily from the list. So NZ Sim, his name nzfix.co.nz, and country is this, country is New Zealand, and time zone and dollars. And if you would like to invite any another guy, you can invite it here and give administrative access or any kind of access. You have a 3 access here, standard read only. We will talk about this access in a further video. So we just need to create account here, just press create account here. See, now that account has been created for your new client who would just like to start AdWords services with NZSIM. Here you can see. So now further, as I mentioned, we have a 2 scenario. This is a 1 scenario. Now another scenario is what? If a client already have its AdWords account, he just would like to hire your company to manage his AdWords account. So what I need to do, as I mentioned you, I have a one client, its name is NZFix, and that I have a one email ID, NZFix Papa Territory. I just going to sign in for them, and this is our NZFix client. So I'm just going to write it here, AdWords login. So I'm just going to pop in and just need to switch my account here. That is this one. I just need to click it on first link, sign in. Just click on sign in. Then you will redirected with this email ID, but I need that one, NZFix Papa Territory email ID. Here you will come in a normal AdWords account. This is a NZFix AdWords account. So what I need, this guy is already it's already using AdWords since last year or whatever, since last month. It could be any time. But now NZFix want to manage their AdWords campaign to NZSIM. So what I need a customer ID here, that one, customer ID. When I just click on copy, I copy this customer ID, and I just going to open into another tab, this tab, and put, look, this is my NZSIM demo account. I just need to paste it here and send an invitation. So now see, look, I already sent that invitation to NZFix. So in the NZFix account, what I need to do, I just need to click on this gear button, and here link account or account setting. I just need to click on this account settings. I just want to click on account settings. So this is account preference. So you will be see here this is a preference in the fixed perpetrator. Once you pop in on this window preference, you just need to click on this account access. Once you just click on at this account access, you will be see, look here, this is NZSIM AdWords, that name I chose on the time of making my MCC account. I just write it that name over there in that sim AdWords. So here this is an invitation, accept request, or you can decline that request. As I accept this request, yes, I'm just going to accept this request. Yeah, just click on OK. Once that been saved, just you need to open that account here, just need to refresh it. Once you refresh it, that one your MCC account, you will be able to see that now you are link your NZFix AdWords link with it. So this is my NZ sim demo. Yep. So just need to refresh it one more time. Let's say here you can see that now that NZFix is linked with my MCC account. So now I can manage, when I click on it, now I can manage his all adverts campaign which he used to be run. So I can manage his all adverts campaign from my MCC account. So guys, in this series I just mentioned you how we can link our clients AdWords accounts to our MCC accounts. So in the future I just start this series for you guys, so that you can learn something about AdWords from our channel. So guys, just keep eye on my next video. Please subscribe, press subscribe button, and no, do not forget to press bell icon over there. Whenever we will publish a new video, or YouTube send you a notification about us. So thank you guys, hope you enjoy this video. I will definitely see you in the next video. Thank you so much guys.